Hello folks, my name is Dario and today I want to show off my workstation that I got at ErgoQuest. I work as a software developer, so most of my day happens here. So it's absolutely important for me to have an ergonomic and comfortable workspace. So the first thing you will notice is this very wide keyboard tray. I asked for extra room here because I use a split keyboard. This is important for me because the regular keyboards are too narrow and they cause impingement on my shoulders. So I needed enough space to accommodate my split keyboard with this distance, plus the two mice. I use one for each side. May look weird, but it's very ergonomic to me. When one shoulder or one arm gets tired, I can switch to the other. In that way, I avoid some of my shoulder problems. The second thing I want to show you is the platform you see on the feet. You will notice that there is a platform where I installed a couple of pedals. So normally these workstations don't have that. This was customized for me because I wanted to have these pedals where I program the most common shortcuts that I use on my daily basis. For example, the left middle is the Control Tab shortcut in Windows, or I can navigate across my tabs. In that way, I can also offload some of the stress on the shoulders by using my feet. The next thing is the position of the legs. As you can notice, my legs are extended. That's not just for comfort, but it's actually a medical prescription in my case. I have a couple of conditions on my knees that prevent me from working on a regular chair. Here they are a bit inclined, you may not notice, but I can change the angle if I want. And the platform I mentioned before is also adjustable. I can make it closer or farther away from me. The position of the back, of course, is adjustable as well, but this is the one I currently have is the perfect distance for my keyboard, my monitor, etc. And something I especially like is how many degrees of freedom the seat has. If I just push a little bit, if I'm just missing a little bit to reach my keyboard, I can just tap the button and it moves just a little bit. So it's super fine-grained, adjustable. I really love that. Because sometimes with other equipment, you don't have that freedom to accommodate the seat at the perfect distance. But with this, you can keep on moving in small adjustments. And last but not least, you will notice that I have a couple of tables. This table on the left is the one that usually give you, but I thought this was too small for me to keep my laptop and the other stuff. So I ordered an extra table. Here I have my laptop, my docking station, and other gadgets I usually need. And you can also notice that all the arms in this workstation can be adjusted on the height. This is not the configuration that was originally when I assembled in my house, but with the time I learned to adjust all of these exactly to the position I needed. That's my workstation. I can spend here many hours. It's very comfortable. Thank you, Jeff. I can go back to business thanks to you and your team. And thank you also for hosting me when I visited your factory to try before committing purchase.